Missing? Well, who hasn't experienced that feeling? Longing is the desire to meet or be with someone loved and cherished. If you're missing someone, it can be quite distressing. But did you know that you can create that sense of longing? By employing certain techniques, you can make someone miss you. Want to know how? Let's watch the video until the end. Firstly, with a super cool technique involving the power of scent. Unique perfume aromas can transport us to the past. Aroma is the key that can evoke emotions and memories. Choose a perfume with a distinctive scent that represents you. So when people smell your perfume, they will immediately connect with an image of you. Next, try creating an atmosphere that is a bit mysterious. Don't be too open. Keep some aspects of yourself hidden. Let others be curious and try to dig deeper. Remember, reduce talking about yourself and let them ask more questions of others. This can make them even more curious and miss you. Confidence is attractive, folks. Show that you enjoy life and are independent. When people see you enjoying life, they may feel intrigued and might miss you. Your positive aura will captivate their attention and hearts. Apart from the scent, leave traces of memories by leaving something that sticks to you. It could be a hat, earrings, or any item that is synonymous with you. When people see that, they will instantly be reminded of you and may miss you when you're not around. Lastly, don't forget the power of social media. Be active and share beautiful moments from your life. When people see your stories and your life, they will feel close to you and may miss those moments spent with you. Well, those are some psychological secrets with techniques to make someone miss you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue sharing other interesting tips. See you in the next video.